Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the windshield wipers, guys, on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, guys, we'll explain what you can expect to find them. We will also talk about hidden fuse boxes, guys. This is information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses, relays for the windshield wipers on that generation Chevy Equinox. Let's go ahead and explain that. Quick advice from us, guys. 9 out of 10 owners probably do not know that there will be hidden fuse box in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. What we guys need to do here now, we need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the right side here, you see that's the driver's side, that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a tab here, tab there, kind of like with clips that you squish together. Lift the cover up and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what fuses, relays we need to check today? Up to 4 different components, so make sure you stay until the end. First, we're going to start with fuse number 29. Okay, very important fuse right here. Fuse number 29 will need to be checked. Then we need to locate fuse number 39, that 20 amp fuse right here. Check that one too, guys. After that, we're going to go and find, okay, now we're talking about relay 61 right here. Check that one, guys. And you may need to check also specifically, guys, talking, I think it's a relay 64 right there. Yep, 61 and 64. And these two fuses that are known as 29 and 39. Now those are the main components that we usually check if that component does not work, guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.